Tom's day. Tom is pretty good at fishing. It was a nice day last Tuesday. Tom was fishing happily by the river. Suddenly, he heard someone crying loudly for help. He looked around everywhere and found that a little boy had fallen into the deep water. Although it was dangerous battling that time, he jumped into the water without hesitation and strove to perform his limited ability to pull the boy out of the river. At that time, other people came to offer help. Finally, the boy was saved successfully. Hang grateful tears. Tom was praised for his courage and kind by people there, and they also said Tom set a good example for us, and we should learn from him.